सर, खुद से खुद को मिलवाने के लिए आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद। सबको पता है खुद से प्यार करना चाहिए, पर ये सीखना बहुत मुश्किल है सर। इसके लिए आपका दिल से धन्यवाद।
You are a teacher from now onwards till the day I die.
Wow, amazing.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Till the day you live.
Need to, do something with people when you're getting something in return. It's not easy to do it selflessly.
खाना बहुत ईज़ी होता है, सीखना मुश्किल होता है।
Thank you so much for giving yourself so selflessly to us for 21 days. A lot of gratitude to you for all the learnings that we have done, received with a lot of gratitude. This is something absolutely new that I have learned. Will stay with me all throughout.
What is that one thing that shifted for you in your life, and what is one thing that you are going to shift in future with the help of this?
What shifted in me was identifying what my inner child felt. Going back to that time, feeling everything, then trying to make up with that, coming to terms with that, and then how to solve it. And how to continue being with that inner child. Like today you said, now play with your inner child. So how to be continuously with that inner child. What our trauma was with inner child is mostly was trauma that you remember first. But now onwards, you can have, a fun with your inner child. You heal your inner child, and as you heal, you keep having fun.
And how would it change you as a teacher now?
Today itself, you said a sentence, coach, that you don't know what's happening in each one's life. You don't know what trauma their parents are giving them. So now, as you were saying that, I was envisaging my class. I teach the children who are of class 2, 9th, 10th, then the first year medical students and the B.Ed students. So my age is different. That means right from 7-year-olds till 25 plus I teach. Although the medical students and the B.Ed students, they are for a shorter time. The class 2, 9 and 10 is my everyday thing. So, now when I'm going to look at them, whichever age group they are in, I'm going to remember you. And I'm going to remember that I don't know what they are going through and how I can heal them in whichever way I can, the best way I can. That you have given something to me, like it should really hit me, like at that time. All the faces of my students came up in that moment.
And what would you like to tell to parents and teachers about doing the mirror work or loving yourself?
Yes, absolutely. I was yesterday, you were telling us about teaching them mirror work. I was wondering at that time, like, how will my babies, the 7-year-olds, how will they? So then I thought I'll do a class activity. So I'll tell them to give a small hand mirror and I will tell them. So once it becomes a game with them, you remember you sent me that video? We can air videos, in the class. So I thought I'll show them that. That is the activity I'm going to do with them. I'll tell them because that girl is the similar age.
Yes. 7-year, 5-year. Yeah.
My 9, 10, my older ones, yes.
Yeah.
Older ones will do it. But my younger ones, I have to show them that video. So, and I'll make them do in class. And once it is like an activity, I know they will enjoy it home also. You know how small kids are, they love doing things in front of the mirror. So they will enjoy that. And these affirmations, I will teach them. Like, be very good about yourself, what you that. And with parents, I have to really tread very softly.
First of all, like I say every time, gratitude for selflessly giving yourself for this 21 days. It's easy to, quote somebody. I have gone through a lot of healing, lot of healers. It's easy to, do something with people when you're getting something in return. It's not easy to do it selflessly. So I like that part a lot. And there have been so many things, we know, okay, this has happened. This is the chronology of things. right? But while doing this, the thought process behind things. Okay, if somebody is hurt, what is the place he is coming from? Did that person do it intentionally or not intentionally? Like you say, you don't know what the parents have been going through, or they could have created through various, scenarios. So we as people around us, we are at a certain age, right? So in these many years, we've come across so many people, interacted with so many people. So some have been good, some have might not have been good. But the reason for not being good is not because you are not good. That hurt is their hurt, which is coming out. So it is not basically you who's the problem. It is something inside which is the problem, which, is coming out like that. So the problem is not you if they are mean to you. So that realization came. Certain things which were trigger points, which I didn't understand क्यों है, कैसे है, कहाँ से आ रहा है. So I understood that. Okay, this was the thing which was triggering. Maybe somebody whom I love dearly today also. But the hurt is there. Why the hurt is there? Not because the person hurts me. Because there is something from earlier. Right? So all of that realization coming together, and it was amazing. So I mean, again, I'm at loss of words. Gratitude again.
Thank you for precision. And what would you like to tell parents and teachers?
What I'd like to tell parents is like, I take math classes online for most of the children. So parents are like, ये problem है, वो problem है. Why is the problem there? Let's look at the root cause. Why is the child not, maybe math is very difficult for what many children, right? Why the child is not liking math, or why the child is running away from practicing it? The root cause is somewhere else. Probably they are behind their lives. They feel कि ये सबसे difficult काम है. So let's not do that. Let's make it more interesting. Maybe the child needs a little longer. Give them that time to, process it. And for teachers to be more compassionate. It's not like one will fits all. आपने एक तरीके से पढ़ाया, सब पढ़ लेंगे. We all know कि times are changing. We try to modulate ourselves, but somewhere even teachers have कि इतने time में इतना पढ़ाना है, deliver करना है. Either what will the parents say or what is the school thing. But नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Everybody's got their own stuff. So give them time and please be patient and compassionate towards your kids or your, children, your students. So in fact, a couple of times I told one of my students in between while we were doing this 21-day workshop, I told her to take a mirror and, go and tell yourself, love, I love you. Just do that. I don't know if she did it or not, but I told her because she is very scared. The idea of math, that if you tell her 2 plus 5, she's in grade 5. But if you tell her 25 plus 36, she will come up after 2 minutes saying, I don't know how to do it. And she knows it. I know that she knows it, but she has that fear. So I told her that. So
Thank you. And while the teachers batch is going on, and somebody introduced me to the best teacher right now in India, Khan sir, if you have heard of him. Patna ka hi hai. The guy is amazing. I mean, what he is doing, I thought that maybe I should have done something like that. And the only way to change the world is wo command teachers ke haath mein. And teachers, if they themselves are hurt and not healed, imagine the wound is getting passed from generation to generation. So that is why I wanted to give this program to as many teachers as possible. Of course, thank you so much, Tanvi. Amazing listening. Thank you so much. Lots of gratitude in return. Lovely. Yes, Kavita.
सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू सो मच और थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग अस स्टूडेंट अगेन, ताकि हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो इस 21 डेज में सीखी वो दोबारा बचपन में लेके आके दोबारा उस नीचे लेवल में लेके आने के लिए थैंक यू. सो दैट और बहुत सारा स्कोप मिला सीखने के लिए और उसको ट्राई करके और इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए, सो दैट आगे जो हम बच्चों को देखेंगे, सिखाएंगे, पढ़ाएंगे
वो हील्ड ऑलरेडी होंगे। उनको अब क्या मतलब है, हर्ट होने वाला वो देना ही नहीं, अच्छा ज़िंदगी देना है। बिकॉज़ ऑलरेडी जब हम हील हो जाएँगे तो डेफ़िनेटली वो आएँगे और अच्छा सीखेंगे। ये हमेशा याद रहेगा कि जो हमें रोज़ जो करना है, खुद को हील करके आगे वाले जो आने वाली जनरेशन बहुत अच्छी हैप्पी निकले, सो दैट्स सराउंडिंग बहुत अच्छे रहें। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
You're so much.
इसको
You're so welcome. Thank you.
सर।
So, would you like to send a message to parents and teachers about this series, about self-love?
सर, खुद से जब हम प्यार करना सीखते हैं, तब हम दूसरों को सिखा सकते हैं कि प्यार किसको कहते हैं।
चाहे आप बस में हो, ट्रेन में हो, आप हमेशा सफर कर रहे होते थे, बट यू वर ऑलवेज ऑन द कॉल and you had the audacity, I use the word audacity, to be on camera, which is amazing, which is something I totally loved it. Thank you very, very, very much for
Thank-
being on camera. It takes certain level of courage. Yeah, thank you.
सर, प्लीज़ बी विथ अस ऑलवेज़।
I will be, definitely.
इसमें एक चीज़ पूछूँ, लाइक जब मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज़ अभी जब भी मैं 21 डेज़ किया तो दे नो दैट आई एम अटेंडिंग दिस क्लास। मैंने जो जर्नल है वो जो मैं लिखती हूँ वीडियोज़ में आगे देख के भी जाते हैं। सो मैंने सोचा मैं छोटे-छोटे पोस्टर्स में मेरे कमरे में लगाऊँ, सो दैट तो उसके थ्रू जब वो लोग देखते हैं तो सबकॉन्शियस लेवल में विल दे लर्न।
They will. If they see changes in you, and especially if they are your kids, उनके साथ जाके मिरर वर्क करो. When they feel something, उनको बोलो मिरर को बोलो. Go and speak in front of the mirror. Do it sometimes in front of them. देखो vulnerability आप जब show करोगे ना, तो then you also be willing to ask for help, and they will learn from you that they can also ask for help. Awesome. Thank you so much. I see you on some other. Yes, Geeta. Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, like you said about vulnerability now.
Yes.
So if they are, like when you feel something bad, you're vulnerable to something, or there's some negative emotion, can you say it to the mirror?
Yes. You can say to the mirror anything. Because vulnerability से related trauma बचपन में ही. Somewhere you decided I will not show up. I will not show up on camera. I will avoid people. I will tell lies if I have to. And I will not ask for help. And I have to be strong and I cannot cry. Everything is related to vulnerability.
Another question. When you do a workshop, say if you're doing a workshop, what is the minimum time that you need? Like, see, in school, we invite facilitators, we invite mentors for workshop. So, we've never had a mirror work workshop in so many years. I've been teaching.
We can do minimum 1.5 hours. But मेरा recommendation है minimum 3 hours होना चाहिए. एंड एडल्ट्स के लिए, अगर टीचर्स के लिए लाइफ चेंजिंग अगर वर्कशॉप करनी है तो मुझे 2 दिन दे दो 9 to 5. Now, they will go out as teachers of love. कुछ महीने पहले मैं मिरर सीरीज शुरू कर दिया था और मेरी फ्रेंड की मदर जो है वो मेरी स्टूडेंट थी. उन्होंने शी वाज 78 ईयर ओल्ड और वो स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल थी और शी पास्ड अवे. तो मेरे को उनकी बड़ी याद आई जब मैंने मतलब व्हेन आई वांटेड टू डू इट फॉर टीचर्स. सबसे पहले मेरे को राजलक्ष्मी आंटी का याद आया कि मेरे को उनको लेके आना. दोस्त की, मेरी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड की मदर है. तो मेरे को लगा यार इससे पहले कि कोई और टीचर सफर करे, हाथ पकड़ लो, डू नॉट लेट देम सफर. सो आई केम अप विद दिस आइडिया. सो वन मोर टाइम, hasta la vista. I see you somewhere else. Bye bye.